Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool General Electric 6.0 27909 cordless telephone. And this is Jim's equipment from California, and this is the initial checkout of this really cool telephone. Now these are very sought after. They no longer make this model any longer, and if you can even find one used, they get quite expensive. We have a note with this unit, and this handset was left outside, and then it rained on the handset, so it got wet. And now the handset does not work at all. So we want to troubleshoot this unit. We want to go through the handset, troubleshoot the PC board and everything in the handset because of the water damage. We have the unit apart. If you've never seen the inside of one of these units, we'll give you a look at it. So that gives you a look at the main PC board. We have a lot of work that needs to be done. We'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the troubleshooting and repairing process. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we are finished up with the repair of this really cool General Electric 6.0 27909 cordless telephone, and we're ready to start our final checkout. Now we also want to mention our amplified pickup. We use this in troubleshooting, repairing, and on our final checkouts. It's amplified so that you can hear the audio from a receiver. There is an issue though. This is a cordless telephone. The base unit and handset interchange frequencies, and that RF power can interfere with an open amplifier, and it can make the amplifier sound like a staticky hum, and we'll show you that during the final checkout. And I have an amplifier back by the video. It has a button on it. When I press the button, I can give dial tone or take it away at any time. And since it's an open amplifier, it is prone to any static interference or noise in the atmosphere, like radio frequency. I'm going to go ahead and press the button. You may hear a little bit of an electrical hum. I'll release it, press it one more time, and release it. And actually what you're hearing is the radio frequency coming from the base at this moment. So we'll go ahead and do that one more time. So that can cause issues with the amplifier. Now what we can do is use the analyzer and send a ring cycle like you were getting a call. So we'll start that. We'll let that go a few times. I'll let it go one more time and we'll give you some dial tone. We want to walk through our numbers. If you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers roll by. I'm going to end in a 2. Now I want to transmit into the handset. If you watch that red light on the analyzer, every time you see that red light light up, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello, hello. We can go ahead and hang our handset up. Now what we'll do is give you some dial tone. We'll dial a 2. That will cause the dial tone to go away, and we'll show you the interference with the radio frequency that we're talking about. Give you some dial tone. We'll dial a 2. That causes dial tone to go away. We'll go ahead and hang up. And that's the radio frequency interference. So now what we want to do is go ahead and press this button on the switch box. That gives us a line out, totally takes the analyzer out of the situation, and we can call a time and temp number. We'll give you some dial tone. And we'll make that call.
The time and temperature is coming up after this. To hear the time and temperature, no need to press any buttons on your phone. Just stay on the line. Today is Tuesday, May 1st. The current time, 7:43 p.m. And the temperature, 72 degrees.
We can go ahead and hang up. Now that we know that this really cool General Electric 6.0 27909 cordless telephone has been repaired, we can return it to Jim and they can enjoy this cordless telephone once again. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching and have a great day.